Oh, okay, here's the answer. So if cos theta equals 0, we can't find out what tan equals, and that's because 0 equals the adjacent over the hypotenuse, right? Now to figure that out, if that equals 0, then that has to equal 0, right? And then when we're figuring out the tan theta equals opposite over adjacent, and if adjacent equals 0, then the world ends because it just can't. Yeah, so that's a bit sad. Now, if you're looking at this circle, what we're looking at here is we have an x-axis and a y-axis. This is important because when you're looking at domains, you're looking at quadrants. I don't know if you've done that, but I'll just say a little bit. If we're in this quadrant, right, if you're plotting a point and it's in one of these spots, right, then the x is a positive value and the y is a positive value. So we're like positives, everything's positive. Now, if we're graphing something and you get a point and the point is like 5, -4 or something, it's going to be down here because it's going to be like -4 and then like 5. It's going to be like that. Oh, so you got x is positive, y is negative. In this quadrant, negative, negative, x would be negative, y would be negative. Why do I write it like that? Why don't I write it like everyone else would write it? Negative x, negative y, because that point could be like, I don't know, -3, -4, -5, I don't know. And then if it's in this quadrant, it's going to have a positive y value and a negative x for the same reason. So when you're looking at angles, thinking about the fact that you're here, you're going to be all positive, blah, 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 blah. I don't know if you've learned that or not, like maybe, and it may all make sense to you already, or you may be like, what? I have no idea what that means or how it relates. And if this stuff kind of makes sense or feels relevant to you in any sort of way, let me know and I can explain more. And if it doesn't make sense because it's like, I can't learn this from a video, or you're just like, this seems really irrelevant to me, or I already know this, then that's great because then you don't need to learn anything. So yeah.